This is our first video, guys, on the ball sack.
Bruh.
Okay, let's actually start. This is our first video. We obviously don't have all of our members. Like, we're missing like all of them, but we're missing like every single one of them. Ball. We're in the balls monkey, the ballistic monkeys. Yes, the ballistic monkeys. But yeah, this is a group account with a bunch of people, 10 people, kind of. We think. I don't know. But yeah, this is our group account. Subscribe. He's mewing. He's mewing.
What the segment?
Guys, I need to show everybody a skill on the camera. Come on. Got this. Bar command menu. Today, guys, I'm gonna wall run tutorial. I totally said that right. Oh, he's correct. He's correct. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so good. I'm so good. Yeah. What the hell? Oh, yo, somebody joined GMT. We got another one of our members, guys. We got another one of our members. We have another one of our members here. Oh. He's airstriking himself. Oh gosh. Anyway, guys, that is it, guys. Yeah, subscriber will be under your bed, tickling you. But yeah, Skibby Toilet. Goodbye.